Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your communication skills with Berlitz, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your communication skills with Berlitz, start by identifying your specific communication goals. Consider whether you want to enhance your verbal skills, nonverbal communication, or both. Next, explore Berlitz's range of courses tailored to your needs. Visit the Berlitz website or a local center to find the right course for you. Once you've selected a course, enroll and make a commitment to attend regularly. Be open to receiving feedback from instructors during your classes. Practice active listening in every session to enhance your understanding of others. Engage in role-playing exercises offered in the courses to build confidence. Make use of Berlitz's language tools and resources for additional practice. Use mobile apps or online platforms provided by Berlitz for on-the-go learning. Set aside time each day for self-study, focusing on vocabulary and grammar. Immerse yourself in conversations, even outside the classroom, to apply what you've learned. Join study groups or practice sessions with fellow students for collaborative learning. Ask for opportunities to engage in discussions on various topics to expand your vocabulary. Record your speaking sessions to track your progress over time. Regularly assess your communication skills through practice tests or personal reflections. Seek out additional resources such as books, podcasts, or videos to reinforce your learning. Stay motivated by setting achievable milestones and celebrating your successes. As you progress, revisit and adjust your communication goals to continue improving. Finally, maintain a growth mindset, understanding that effective communication is a lifelong journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.